Welcome to a journey of innovation and excellence. Join us as we delve into the highlights of Xieon Life Sciences Private Limited. Its remarkable presence at iPHEX 2023 from 5th July to 7th, Xieon Life Sciences Private Limited proudly showcased its pioneering pharmaceutical contributions at the prestigious event. Our enthusiastic team engaged with visitors, sharing insights about our breakthrough products and unwavering dedication to advancing healthcare. Left an indelible mark as a beacon of innovation in the pharmaceutical realm.
And if he interested, just let him text me WhatsApp and we continue further discussion or email.
Stay tuned for more updates on Xieon Life Sciences' remarkable journey. For the latest updates, follow us on social media and visit our website. Together, let's shape the future of healthcare.